Black people created and founded this country too. The labor that we provided created the infrastructures for this country. So we are just as much American as anyone else, and our history is your history.
LeBron James. LeBron James was born December 30th, 1984.
There are also countless prolific Black activists, and we'd like to highlight a few of them today. One of those being Cornel West, American political activist and philosopher.
Michelle Obama was born on January 17, 1964. She attended Harvard University as well as Princeton University.
In this field, Neil deGrasse Tyson is an inspiration for all young Black students who are in the pursuit of a career in the scientific field.
We're talking about a queen, a legend, Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey was born on January 29, 1954 in Kosciuszko, Mississippi. At the time, Oprah was really poor and she had to wear potato sacks as dresses, and because of that, she was bullied.
I wanted to ask you, as being a woman of color, like what kind of obstacles have you had to face, like especially being kind of in the political field?
That's a great question.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate being a judge?
Oh, that's a great question. Well, you know what? Today I'm gonna say it's a 10. There are other days it's a lower number.